Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am explaining about my 3 golden rules how to fix in your Demat account as default. For this video making, I use my Zerodha Demat account and this chart. Okay, now we start the trade. In my every review video of Bank Nifty and Nifty, I repeatedly told the 3 golden and important rules in my trading. That are all. First one is I always use the index chart of Nifty or Bank Nifty. Second one is I always use the 5 minutes time frame for the better result. Third one is I use the Camarla pivot point indicator. Okay. Now in this video, why I using the 3 important points. Now I explain the begin the reason of that 3 important points. Now we start from the first point. What is the first point? First point is I always use the index chart of Nifty or Bank Nifty. Why? The index chart is the main sources of the all. Now the options chart result and the option chart all are derived from the index chart only. So for better result, you will use the index chart compared than the option chart. And second reason is the each and every charts are slightly different from the other options. For in my watch list, there are 4 options. 2 are put option, 2 are call option. Now we check the what is the slight difference in the charting of both call option and put option. Okay. Now we open the 33,500 put option chart in the 5 minutes time frame for analyzing purpose. Now I open the 33,500 put option chart. Okay. I will note at the first 5 minutes candle high and the first 5 minutes candle low. Okay. This is the 33,500 first 5 minutes candle high. This is the first 5 minutes candle low. Okay. Now I open the 32,700 put option chart and I fix the high to high. Now see the how much difference for the 33,500 put option and 32,700 put option. Both are put option, but in the chart there is the huge difference in options. Okay. For example, I follow the 33,700 put option chart, mark the first 5 minutes candle high and low. Here the first 5 minutes candle high breakout pattern happened at almost 12 to 12:30. Okay. Now we see the 33,500 put option chart and mark the first candle high and low. Mark the first candle high and low. Here is the first candle high breakout happened at 10:30. In 32,700 put option, first 5 minutes candle high breakout pattern happened at 12:30. In 33,500 put option, first 5 minutes candle high breakout pattern at 10:30. So we cannot perfectly predict the breakout in the options chart. And one more reason is if I watching the 33,500 put option chart, here is the breakout happen. So I will enter in this put option at 750. In case first 5 minutes candle low breakout pattern happen, I cannot sell this option because of huge money. So I will close this chart and go to the option chart of call option and wait for the perfect entry. Wait for the entry and I will enter into a market. In 33,300 at 10:30, first candle low breakout happen. So now I go to switch over to put option chart. So there is a lot of confusion to check the options chart. For these reasons, to avoid this confusion, for better result, I use the index chart only. Second thing is time frame. Why I use the 5 minutes time frame? There are these several time frame in the chart, but based on my back testing, in 5 minutes time frame only I get the better result in my intraday trading. If I select the lowest time frame, I will get the breakout at immediately, but my stop loss are hit at very high. If I switch over to the 30 minutes highest time frame, I wait for the breakout for so long time, so it never gives the stop loss and the targets are not in 1:2 ratio. For this reason, I only select the 5 minutes time frame. This is the reason for why I am using the 5 minutes time frame. Now the two important points are discussed. First one is why I use the index chart. Second point is why I use the 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Now we start the third and most important point, why I use the Camarla pivot point. Before we discuss the reason why I use the Camarla pivot point, first we see how to fix the Camarla pivot point in your chart. In Zerodha Demat account, under the option of Studio, all indicators are available. Please search the indicator name pivot point and select that. Okay, the pivot point option are added into chart, but I want the Camarla pivot point. Now go to the studio, click the settings, under the type, click that. In default chart there are only two indicators available. First one is standard, second one is Fibonacci, but we want Camarla pivot point indicator. How to fix the Camarla pivot point? There is the option in Zerodha, in Alice Blue also. That is option is, now first you change the chart settings. Go to settings, scroll down, you see the chart settings. In this chart setting, you change the chart from chart IQ to trading view option. Now I select the trading view option. Now open the index chart. The chart are open under the trading view. This is the symbol of the trading view chart. Now chart open under the trading view. Now second is change the time frame. From here, this is the time frame. Defaultly the chart open in the 1 day. Click that and you will show the several time frame. Click the 5 minutes time frame. Now time frame is switch over to the 5 minutes. Okay. Now third is to fix the Camarla pivot point. Here there is the option show the name indicator. Click that option. You will get the several indicators available in the trading view chart. That's the same indicator name pivot point. Now select the pivot point standard. Here the pivot point standard option added in your chart. Now close this option. But this pivot point is a traditional pivot point, but I want the Camarla pivot point. Select this format option. Click that. You will open a new window. In type, there are click the arrow button. You will see the several pivot point option. Traditional, Fibonacci, Woody's, like that. You will select the Camarla pivot point. Now indicator change to Camarla. Never change other settings and go to the style. I always use the R3 and the S3. So remaining please unselect. For better visibility, change the color, and if you want the darkness, please increase the line width and give OK. Now Camarla pivot point R3 and S3 fixed. For to save the settings as default, please click this option, default template save. If you open the any option chart or Nifty index chart, defaultly charts open under the default settings 5 minutes time frame and the Camarla pivot point R3 and the S3. So you never do this work on daily basis. Now we discuss why I use the camera pivot point R3 and the S3. Okay, when go to the Google, I type on the camera pivot trading rules. You will get this universal result. Here, what we told, where to buy means when the candle touch the S3, buy from that. I will tell you, this is the camera pivot point S3. Okay, candles are from the downwards or upwards something. The candles are moving towards the S3. If the candle touch the S3, what they tell, from S3 candles are going upside. Place the stop loss below S4. Here the S4. But why I not using the F4? The distance between the S4 and the above resistance are equal to 1:1 ratio. It not a good for trading. 1:2 ratio is the good result. So I will place the stop loss mid of the below the S3. Okay. When candle touch the S3, move upside and go for particular resistance. Okay. Second point is where to sell. This is the camera R3. When candles moves from down to up, when touch the R3, candles are getting rejected and move towards downside. Where to place the stop loss? R4. But my point of view, for 1:2 ratio, I place the stop loss above the R3 and fix my target next support, or 1:2 ratio. Okay, this is the universal rules I get it from the Google, and after study this I back tested in my charts. I get the better result compared than the Google. That is what is the better result means, what they told, when touch the R3 candles are reverse and go downside. When it touch the S3 candles are move upside and go. But when I back tested, I get the additional 2 points. That is the breakout. What is breakout? When the candles touch the R3, it reverse and go towards downside. When candles touch the S3, it move towards upside. But in case candle never getting rejected, here the breakout happen and go downside very well. Same concept, when the candle not rejected in R3, it's move a good breakout towards upside. Now we show this. Here, this is the R3 breakout. When the candles touch the R3, as per the concept, candle move to S3 or towards downside. But the here R3 breakout happen and go upside very well. So this is called the breakout. Okay, this is called the, here R3 breakout happen. Almost S3 touch the candle S3, it move upward. But here when the candle touch the R3, it time to reverse and go down. But here the R3 breakout happen and move upside very well. Okay. Yeah. Here the S3 break, S3 rejection happened perfectly. When the candles touch the S3, it move towards upside and reach the R3. When the candle touch the R3, if you wait here, you will get here two options. One is breakout or another one is rejection. Here the rejection happened and market moved downside very well. So this is the reason I use the camera R3 and the S3. and I never use the S4. For example, if I added the S4, for example, if I added the S4, the volume indicator not used here. S3 is the 32,733, almost 100 points difference between the S3 and S4. When I put this stop loss here, for 1:2 ratio, I wait for 200 something points. But S3 and the R3, it never give you a good result. For this reason, I use the below the R3 or S, above the S3 as stop loss, and I never use the S4 and the R4. In my Alice Blue also, trading view option available. Same procedure to fix the pivot point camera law and 5 minutes time frame. Okay. In case of in your demat account, there is no trading view or camera law pivot point option. You will use the trading view website. Please log in using your mail ID and use the free trial version for lifetime. The same procedure to use the trading view and fix the camera pivot point. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.